Hi viewer, today I am going to update my iPhone 12 Pro to iOS 14.2 and I will show you some features and changes in iOS 14.2. Let's have a look. First, make sure your iPhone connected with the internet. Then from your iPhone home screen tap Settings. Scroll down a little bit and tap General. Then tap Software Update. Checking for updates. iOS 14.2 iOS 14.2 includes over 100 new emojis, added new wallpapers and bug fixes. Tap Download and Install. Then tap Agree. For confirmation, tap Agree. It will start download and install new updates. Install button not working cause the updates requires at least 50% battery or to be connected to a power source. So plug power source and tap install now. It will take some time to install new updates. That's it. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 14.2. Let's check what's new in iOS 14.2. Apple added 8 new wallpapers in iOS 14.2. Tap Settings, scroll down and tap Wallpaper. Tap Choose a new wallpaper. Go to Styles and here you will get your 8 new wallpapers. Check one by one. Also, Apple added more than 100 new emojis in iOS 14.2. In iOS 14.2, you can add new Shazam options in Control Center. So open Settings, tap Control Center, tap Music Recognition. Now open Control Center and you will get Shazam. In iOS 14 added optimized battery charging for AirPods Pro. So first connect your AirPods Pro with your iPhone, go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, then tap I button beside your AirPods name. Go to the bottom of the screen and you will get optimized battery charging. Turning on or off, you can use this new feature. These are the new features in iOS 14.2. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.